Pretty productive day. Look at these sycamore slabs. These things do not look big on the camera, but they are at least 24, 25 inches wide. Got some book mats, sycamore slabs. Yeah, probably not. Some awesome poplar lumber. This stuff is green as all get out. Look at that. A lot of poplar 1x. Some more view of that sycamore. Bunch of 1x6. There's a bunch of 2x there. A bunch of 1x4s. Made all these today. Nice stack of those. Pretty good production today. Oh, day 3 out here. Finishing up. Got a ton more of this poplar lumber cut today. And some white pine. Where's that white pine at? Let's see. This is maple. Cut all this maple today. 2 inch, 1.25 inches. Oh, here's the white pine. I cut all this white pine today. All 1 inch, 1x6. It's been very cold today. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Look at that. That's some nice poplar. Gotta do all that tomorrow. Be done. All right, finished up. Look at this poplar. Look at the colors in this. This stuff looks phenomenal. All this right here is nothing but 1x6, 1x4, 8 and 10 poplar lumber. Look at that. Look at that green in that. Of course, this stuff is wet, but that's a lot of poplar lumber. Got all these 2x and pine. Got a 1x4s over there and that stack over there. Some more 2x pine and that. And then over here, we got some 1x6 cedar, white pine. They were 1x8s. Got the maple here. The Empress wood. The black walnut on the back. All that's pine in there. Sycamore live edge slabs. And more white pine up here in the front. 1x6. That's a lot of lumber in 26 hours on this job. Everything come out really well. Looks all good. And there's a lot of different products within all this. But this Empress wood, this stuff's actually pretty darn stout. And has some cool looking grain to it. Cool figure, kind of reminds me of white oak. And the one lone black walnut. Everything come out pretty good.